Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just want to share another problem that's caught out a couple of members just recently. You get a lot of these Audis doing oil changes, or if you've got an oil warning light on the car, low oil, etc. Again, you can top it up, fill it up, reset it, try to reset it. It won't reset that particular oil warning light. And the reason for that is there's a bonnet switch on the vehicle situated on the front catch here. You can see the two wires down the bottom there. That bonnet switch fails. Now these lights can't be reset until the actual vehicle sees the bonnet has been opened and closed again. So if that bonnet switch isn't working, which is a common issue, it won't allow you to reset that service warning, that oil warning on the vehicle. So just be wary of the fact that a lot of these later model cars have got those quirky things like these switches that stop resetting of warning lights until it sees the bonnet open or not. You can see that through live data, through a scan tool to see if it is opening and closing, or you can just hotwire it so you can make it see that the bonnet is open and closed. So again, a couple of members have been caught recently with this particular issue, with that oil reset. Again, won't happen until you've actually opened and closed the bonnet. So that switch on this catch has to work properly. So a bit of a quirky one. We do have a repair solution on our website regarding this particular problem. So again, if you are a member, make sure you're looking at these repair solutions, which we're adding 20 a month, 20 every 2 weeks to our system. So we're always adding more and more information to the website. So hopefully that'll help you out. See you next time.